So we are here, guys. Imam Maturidi's mausoleum. I am sure we all know who Imam Maturidi was. He happened to be in the 7th or 8th century. I will tell you more as we go in. I am outside the Imam Maturidi's mausoleum. As we all know who Maturidi was. He was born in 870 in a city near Samarkand called Maturid. After he had his primary education, he studied in madrasas. And he is famous as a founder of the famous Maturidi school of thought, which teaches you Islamic fiqh and theologies. He had so many students who used to travel to see him, and he used to teach them all in his garden. One of the key principles of Maturidi's teachings was the interpretation of Islam based on reasoning and rationality versus following the religion blindly. Let's follow me to his grave.
الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين اللهم ارحمنا بالقرآن العظيم واجعله لنا إماما ونورا وهدى ورحمة اللهم ذكرنا منه ما نسينا وعلمنا منه ما جهلنا وارزقنا تلاوته آناء الليل وأطراف النهار واجعله لنا حجة يا رب العالمين ولا تجعله علينا حجة يا أرحم الراحمين وبلغ ثواب ما قرأناه ونور ما تلوناه هدية واصلة بعد القبول منا إلى روح نبينا وشفيعنا وسيدنا مولانا محمد المصطفى صلى الله عليه وسلم وإلى أرواح آبائنا وأمهاتنا وأساتذتنا ومشايخنا ولمن لهم حق علينا ولصاحب هذا القبر إمامنا بالعقيدة والقبول منصور الماتريدي ولمن له حق علينا يا مولانا إنك على كل شيء قدير صلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين.
And we just finished up Imam Maturidi Rahmatullah Alayh, and we'll be done for Samarkand. Or inshallah tomorrow we will be traveling towards Termeed. There is another town before Termeed where we are going to go, and stay tuned with me to see all the Naqshbandi golden changed silsila imams I will be showing you. Chale. सफाइयाँ हो रही हैं Pakistan style. Very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe and press the red icon bell if you want to watch more from Uzbekistan and beyond. Bye.